It's dead a magnet. Like, look, it's a whole magnet.
With these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't get me hype.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what's good? How you doing, boo? Before you continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Come join the Emmy gang because it's little lifestyle. You already know. If you've been here since day one, welcome back. We're gonna get right into this video, y'all. I did a review on these lashes from Glamnetic. Thank you so much for sending me these lashes. I appreciate you. And I'm gonna tell you all about them. I'm gonna tell you what's good. I'm gonna tell you the tea, and I'm gonna show you all the other goodies that I got from them and all that good stuff. So if you want to see all that, just continue watching. Yeah, just watch, because yeah, they're giving. Right, y'all, what's good, guys? So we are back into the video, and we're gonna get straight into it. As you can see, my makeup is done, my hair is done, but my lashes are not on because we are doing a video with a Glamnetic. They sent me these lashes. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're gonna try them out. I'm gonna put them on and see what's good. Like, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do an unboxing and a review and see. Get it open. And whatever. Oh, look at all these goodies. I'm excited. I'm gonna pull out the lashes first. So these are the lashes that they sent me. I'm just like so extra. I had to get colorful lashes. And I got these. These are so cute. And well, this box is different, so we're just gonna pop it open. Even these I got and whatever. And they also sent me some press-on nails. And these are so cute. Look at these. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put these on. Like, they're so cute. And also got an applicator. So cute. I like the packaging. This is cute. I like this holographic type of thing. It's giving. So this is their eyeliner pen. It's magnetic, and we are about to do what it's about to put these on. Okay, so I never used magnetic lashes in my life, ever in my life. I always use strips. I actually never did individual lashes either. So first of all, let's talk about this packaging, because the packaging is so cute. Like, do you see this? Like, look at it. It's cute. It's literally giving. Okay, like, I like the logo. It's beautiful. And it's just mad cute. So like, oh my god, look how it slides out the box. I like it. I love it. I love it. Look at this. These lashes are so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, do you see that? I know y'all see those. Those are so cute. Alright, so those lashes are Lush. These are the Lush lashes. And then I'm going to show you all of them that I got. And then I'm going to decide which one I want to put on. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going to decide what I want to do. Because I'm not sure. Alright, let's get this open. And ooh, look. Yo, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Like, do y'all see this? Like, did I get too Lush? I don't even care. Like, they're so cute. Like, do you see this? And I like this packaging as well. Like, this is so pretty. And then these lashes, y'all know I have to be a little bit extra with it, you know, because I'm extra. Not really, but I had to be extra. So I think I got two Lush. I got two Lush, and I got one Ecstasy. This is Ecstasy. I'm gonna show you Ecstasy because it's giving ecstasy. These are the Ecstasy lashes, and they are colorful lashes. They're like a purple kind of vibe, like cute. Like, I'm gonna do this with a look. I'm not. And then this is the applicator. It's cute. I like that. I have to comb it. Let's open it because I see something going on with this. Okay, I like this. I love this packaging. Like, the way it feels, it's like, it's not giving cheap. It's giving like I took my time. You feel me? Like, I love this. So look at this. Yo, look at this, y'all. I love this applicator. It's giving, I'm gonna put these on and they're gonna stay on and I'm gonna be so precise. That's what I love about this. I love this, I love this applicator. And then, are y'all serious? Like, y'all got a comb at the other ends of the applicator, like, so I can comb my lashes, like, deadass? Alright, cool. I love it. Thank you, Glamnetic. Like, I appreciate this. I'm so excited. So let's do it, because it's my first time putting on lashes that are magnetic. So we're gonna do it. When I'm doing my lashes, I like to literally point, like have the box sitting like this on my lap so I can know which eye is which. The right eye, the left eye is gonna always be in the packaging like that. So boom. Yo, these are literal, I'm gonna show you guys how it comes out. These are literal magnets. Oh my gosh, like, look at this. Like, literal. Magnet. Boom, it goes back. Like, that's crazy. You have to use the magnetic lash felted pen to apply these lashes. I literally thought that you put something on and then you just click it on, but that's not how it goes. Like I said, it's my first time. Forgive me. Don't laugh at me. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever wore magnetic lashes. Like, this is my first time. It's crazy. I'm dumb excited. Like, okay, so I'm gonna put this lash on. I just love it. It's giving, I think these are different lashes. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put them exactly in the description box down below. So make sure you check them out so you can see which lash is which and everything. But this one I'm gonna put on because I want to put both of them on. Like, they're just both so cute. They're so different. So I'm not sure what the exact name is, but like, are you serious? Like, these are so darn cute. Like, so I'm gonna apply the felted pen. I'm gonna apply that. So I'm gonna do a light layer because I'm not trying to get too much. Like, I did a simple look just for this video. I was gonna do eyeshadow and all that, but I was like, nah, let me do something simple so you guys can actually like see how the lashes apply and see how it goes and all that good stuff. So I got my little mirror and whatever, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lash line. And it says not to, you want to do a thin layer. Like, you do not want to just, this is not eyeshadow. I'm sorry, this is not eyeliner. So it's like, you don't want to make it look like eyeliner unless you want it to look like eyeliner. I personally don't. I just want to put the lashes on. Just like that. Boom. Now, if you want a really good hold, it says to do like 2 to 3 layers. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, they're not perfect. They look crazy. I know they do. But it don't matter. So what you want to do is apply the first layer. You want to do it as thick as the lash line so it can like really stick. And then you want to wait 5 to 10 seconds, do another layer, 5 to 10 seconds again, and then do another layer. So that's what we're going to do. This is layer number 2. Alright, layer number 2. And now we're going to do layer number 3. And I'm excited to put them on. Like, I'm excited now because like we're getting to the point where we're going to put them on. So, layer number 3, and right after I do layer number 3, I'm gonna stick it on. So I'm gonna do them like one at a time. Okay, so shake it up. And the felt tip is so like smooth. It's not giving like harsh. It's just going across my eye. So smooth. It's so comfortable and soft. Alright, so boom, that's on. We're gonna put the lash on, okay? Y'all ready? Drum roll, please. So, just gonna line it right in the middle, and it's on. Look at this. It's on, y'all. The lash is on. It's on. It's giving. Do y'all like it? Let me know in the comments down below if you like this lash. It's really cute. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is dead on. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fly off or like it's hanging off or anything. Like, it's on. It's on. Alright, so we're gonna do the next eye. Alright, boom. So that's on. And then I'm gonna take our lash out the packaging. Just like that. And we are going to apply this baby right now. Like, it's dead a magnet. Like, look, it's a whole magnet. Like, for real. That is crazy. Just like that, my lashes are on. Like, ow! I'm so cute. I'm so cute. I'm cute. Like, I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. It's giving. So, these are lashes. Tell me how you liking them. Like, y'all gotta go get you some lashes. No funny. Like, you really do have to go get you some. Okay, so the lash styles that I got was a vegan Lush. I got Ecstasy X. And I also got Lush. So, those are the lashes that I got. I believe I'm wearing a vegan Lush. Alright, y'all, so use my code Queen Emmy to get 15% off of these beautiful lashes. Use that code. I'm going to put it in the description box down below. And you can get some coin off of your purchase, of course. Like, these are mad cute. Like, I'm telling you, like, these are a 10 out of 10. Like, they're giving, if you don't know how to put on lashes, like, if you don't know how to put on strip lashes, these will be perfect for you because they literally, like, you don't have to, like, worry about fixing them on your lid. Like, you literally could just take them off. Like, when you're using glue, it's a little bit more difficult. Like, these are easy to just snatch off and put back on if you like a little bit. So I recommend these for beginners, of course. I recommend these for everybody, but I recommend these for beginners, especially if you want to, like, really get into makeup and you want to, like, you know, look cute what you look like. Get a magnetic lash and go to Glamnetic and get you some and use Queen Emmy as your code to get coin off of your purchase. So the nails, we're gonna do another video. You're gonna have to check out part 2 of this for these nails. You're gonna have to check it out. So we're gonna do nails. My nails are not prepped, so I'm not about to sit here and play myself. You guys have to get these lashes. You definitely have to. These nails, they have different selections. They're so cute. Like, they have short ones, they have long ones, they have medium ones. They're just giving glam. We're going to do a separate video for those. I'm going to show you guys how I apply the nails and all that good stuff and, like, give you guys my opinion on them. And for now, we're going to concentrate on these lashes, honey. Like, these lashes are so cute. They're comfortable. I love them. I recommend them. They're a 10 out of 10. Like I said, use my code so you can get coin off your purchase. And, yeah, like, you just have to get them. Like, you have to be there. You have to join the crew. You have to join the Glamnetic crew, okay? Thank you so much, Glamnetic, for sending me these lashes. I appreciate you. I am giving them a 10 out of 10. I recommend, and you need to get them. You feel me? Like I said, use my code so you can get discounts on your purchase. I'm going to put everything in the description box down below so you can check it out. And, yeah, go get these lashes, girl. Get these lashes, girl. Okay? They are so, like, they're so comfy. Like, I'm just over here, like, really in awe. Like, they're so comfy. They're so comfortable.